Hello guys, welcome to the Python tutorial. This is Python tutorial. Python tutorial 1. So this is gonna be the try, except, finally, and else block tutorial. We're gonna show you how to do it error handling in Python. If you have a, let's say you want to do an input, let's say for example input equal input enter number. Actually first you want to put int input enter number, and then shit, fuck that one. um don't don't worry about this. Number one, that would num2, and then you want to do integer input another number and the result, and then let's say the result is gonna be equal number 1 divided by number 2, and you want to do that one. Let's see the result of this program. You want to do this divided by 0. That is an error, and it's a division by 0. This means you're dividing the number, first number, by the 0 number. This is not possible. This is an error. This is not divisible. This one will input the error in your program. It would crash the program. If you don't want the program to crash, you try this. You put this in a try block. That is called, it will try the code. If the code is fuck up, then it's gonna do the exception. Except, let's say for example exception, and then you're gonna put the invalid input, and it's gonna print that one out. And then you can put this in here, and this will working, unless, okay, you try 10 and let's try 5. Okay, shit. Okay, I forgot to print it out, sorry guys. Print result, yes. Then you print it. You want to print 10 divide by 5. That would give you the answer 2. Now what if you want to run it again? You want to do 10 divided by 0. This is invalid input, because the exception, it takes exception. Any error that goes through this, if it's erroring, it will go through this block, and then it will execute this part of the program, as you can see. But in Python there is multiple type of error. You can have a value error, you can have a division error, you can have any error that is not good. But so you want to make it individual error messages for specific error, and you want to do the action differently for the different errors. Let's say value error, you want to maybe make it to where you can prompt the user again to put another value. Division error, you can also do that one, and you can make it too. And then you want to put this, usually, for example, instead of exception, you can put 0 division error. So you can do that. Cannot divide by 0. You can also have as e, that means is this exception. So as this variable, you can add the variable e into this, and it will output the variable name, which is basically the error message from this exception. So if we test it out, 0 0, or yes, cannot divide by 0, division by 0, that is the error message e, that is from the exception, and this is just our message. And let's say we want to output as something that happens in the program. If it errors, And the last thing we want to happen, even regardless of an error or anything, is a finally we'll do this. This will always execute, meaning anything happen up here like exception or even it not no exception, no error, nothing, this part of the program will always execute. Let's say you are working with a file and you want to close the file every time this block is finished. You don't want to have any file error or problem. You close, you press file, close, and you put it in the function. This will close the file if you define the file name. That one is used for that. Else would be used if there is no exception in the program, so no errors in the program. This will execute only if there is no exception. So let's say you want to print the output of this calculation. You can do it right here, and this will work every time the program is not erroring. 100 divided by 5, that's 20, and this will always execute, obviously, because of this statement here with the finally clause. Thank you guys for watching. This is the latest video. I will like and subscribe for more videos. I will make sure to talk about the next one. In the comments you can put what you want a tutorial on. I can try to help you guys with that one. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe.